Gråsidan is a product from IKEA which is great for organizing your drawers. In this video we'll take a quick look at one of IKEA's least complicated yet most useful products. Gråsidan from IKEA is an organizer for their Alex series and other IKEA drawers. Gråsidan, which is Swedish for the grey side, is simply a bunch of small boxes designed to fit IKEA drawers and help you organize things in the drawers. Gråsidan comes wrapped in plastic that's easy to remove, and the box Gråsidan comes in is actually the biggest box of 5 boxes that Gråsidan consists of. I find these boxes very handy and particularly like to use them for the top 2 Alex drawers. They're great for compartmentalizing various smaller items that you might have laying around, like pens, extra cords, USB sticks, post-it notes, etc, etc. So there you have it. I hope this video has been useful to you. Please feel free to add a like and comment below if you have any feedback to me. Thanks for watching.